Chess. This dialogue is timely and useful as it focuses attention on what could be done to stem the rapidly declining faith in the multilateral system. The multilateral structures designed decades ago by a select few for a different era are proving incapable to effectively address the contemporary challenges in an increasingly interconnected multipolar world. Developments over the last few years have starkly exposed these limitations faced with dramatic challenges to the international peace and security, along with global health, climate, decelerating development, rising terrorism, and growing risks from emerging technologies. It is clear to everyone that the UN Security Council has been unable to prevent or stop serious conflicts that are having global consequences, especially for the global south. The architecture and the tools available to the international community at the United Nations are outdated and were not designed to deal with the situations that obtain today. India has long argued for urgent, meaningful reform of the global governance structures, including the Security Council. India has engaged with the IGN process, and now it is high time for text-based negotiations to start. I may mention that in December 2022, during our presidency of the Council, India organized a debate on new orientation on reformed multilateralism. On terrorism, India has long worked to build global multilateral efforts to work together to counter this collective threat. The Pact of the Future adopted today recognizes the need for revitalizing efforts to finalize a comprehensive convention on international terrorism, CCIT, at the United Nations, for which India has been arguing for a long time. India continues to engage actively with the UN Office of Counterterrorism and is also a founding member of the Global Counterterrorism Forum, GCTF. On emerging technologies, multilateralism must help govern the use and deployment of such technologies to prevent their misuse and risks that have implications for peace and security while promoting their use for public good. The finalization of the Global Digital Compact is a welcome development. We also need to do more in regulating the use of AI and other new technologies that could potentially have huge implications for global community. We hope that the ways to transform global governance will not just remain as words in the Pact of the Future, but lead to concrete actions and actual reforms going forward. We cannot wait forever. Thank you, Muchas.